Hello, hey guys, welcome to back to my YouTube channel. TikTok account followers and views is not show problems, and the TikTok account views and follower has been not show problems, and different account has been private and not private any private show problems, and follower has been zero show problems. First of all, the TikTok app has been selected, and the app selected app information the app information the officially the store and cashier the clicks Android and iPhone same processing. And first of all, the claims and cashiers. Open the TikTok app. Please wait, like this video. And officially the account has been logged out. Clicks and properly the logout. Switch now and log out. The account logout